Meaning of higher animals.
Higher animals.
Higher animals.
Higher animals.
Higher animals. The term higher animals is often used to refer to animals that are considered more complex or advanced in terms of their biological and cognitive capabilities compared to lower or more primitive animals. This concept is often associated with the idea of evolutionary progression, wherein higher animals are seen as having evolved more sophisticated adaptations for survival and reproduction. However, the use of this term is somewhat controversial and can be seen as reflecting a bias towards certain types of animals over others. Additionally, it is important to recognize that different animals have different strengths and adaptations that suit them to their particular ecological niches.